Hello everyone, happy Sunday. So today I will be making this video on how to automate keyword Excel tables in different sheets. So this is a reply to a subscriber who has commented in my previous video, which is automate split Excel file into multiple files, then email them separately. His name is Paslo Haq. So he has 10 sheets with same data structure, and he wants to make pivot table for each of the sheets in separate sheets, right? And also he said that all sheets are in one file, and the sheets should be named by date, and every pivot table sheet should be renamed AST PT underscore the date. So I have created a sample file. So each sheet has the dates, right? And then I just mock up some sample data with product, quantity, and sales number for each sheet, right? Then I use Power Automate Desktop to pivot all these table into different sheets. So my end result is sales underscore pivot, right? Then you can see all these the old sheets plus the pivoted values, right? Which has the row labels and sum of sales. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Before I begin, please help me by clicking the subscribe and notifications bell button to support my channel. Currently, only 6.1% of my viewers are subscribers, and out of that, only 8.1% turn on the notifications for my channel and enable YouTube notifications. Thank you. The first step in Power Automate Desktop that you need to do is launch Excel. Launch Excel and open the following document. Then you put the link of the document and then enable Make Instant Visible. The rest, I leave it as default. Variables produced is Excel instance, which is default. Then you get all Excel worksheets. This will display all the names in the Excel file. So this is a sample. This is all the sheets names, right, in my sales file. Then you use for each current item in sheet names, right, value to iterate sheet names. So it will go through each different sheet in your file. So in my case, it's three sheets in one file. Then this is a very important. You need to focus your window, right? Find window mode by window instance handler. Windows instance is Excel instance. Then you set active Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. Activate worksheet with name. Worksheet names is current item. So it will go through each current item in sheets names. So it will go to the first sheet first. So it's 06112022. Then what you do is activate cell in Excel worksheet. Excel instance in Excel instance. Activate absolutely specified cell, column A, row 1. This is because my table, right, starts with A1, right? Then you do send keys, right? Send keys to foreground window. So use open curly bracket, ALT, close curly bracket to click on the button alternate, then NSP, right? Why I do this is, if you go back to Excel, right, if you click on alternate, right, then you click on N for insert, right, you can see here, insert, right, and then there's pivot table and recommended pivot tables. So you choose recommended pivot tables as P, right, then you select your pivot tables that you want to use, right? So for this example, I want sum of sales by product, right? So it's uh, just one down button click, right, to the sum of sales by product. So if you go back to my Power Automate desktop, right, my send keys, the next send keys is send keys to foreground window. Text to send is down, right? Just one click button down. So if you want to have sum of sales by quantity, for example, so what you do is you click um, two down button. So you put another down, right? So down. So for my case, I just want one down. So I use 3 tabs here, right? Because once you select, so one down, right? Then you press 3 tab, right? Tab, and it's a blank pivot table. And tab again, you change source data. And tab again is OK, right? So you want to click on OK, right? Once you get to the OK button, right? You want to ask Power Automate Desktop to click on the Enter button or the Return button. Right, this return is actually the enter. Then the rest I leave it as default. Then what you do is another important step. You need to focus window again by window instance handle. Windows instance is Excel instance. Right. Then you get active Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. So what it does is, so once you click on OK, right? So your pivot table will be in sheet 1, right? So you want Power Automate Desktop to read what is the currently active sheet, and then rename this sheet 1, right? So you will get the sheet name, right? Then you use rename Excel worksheet, right? So Excel instance is Excel instance, rename worksheet with name. Worksheet name is sheet name, and your worksheet new name. You go back to fast slow message. He wants ASTPT underscore the date. Right. So you go back to Power Automate Desktop. So it's ASTPT underscore. Then I use n% current item n%, which is the sheet that I have pivoted. Right, so you can see the current item is 08112022. Because this is the last sheet, so it will rename as ASTPT 08112022, which you can see in the results. Right, STPT underscore 08112022. Yep. Then after that, and right, and then you close your Excel. Right, Excel instance. Before closing Excel, save document as document format Excel worksheet, Excel text. Then you put in the link for the new Excel file. So I hope this video has helped you and also help Fastlow. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and please remember to support my channel by subscribing and click on the notification bell. Thank you so much everyone for your time today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.